Education Minister Rakkam Sangma informed that the interview of the Mtet qualified candidates will be held on November 15th to fill up more than 1,200 vacancies in the government lower primary schools, around 300 to 400 in upper primary schools. The Education Minister said for the lower primary schools, the interview has been fixed from 15th November and the process will be completed before Christmas. Earlier, a delegation of Mtet Youth Council led by its President Roy Kupar Sinram met Education Minister Rakkam Sangma and submitted a representation on matters relating to the education sector in West Khasi Hills district.
Find that one teacher is teaching 100 students. That also
it is because of vacancy. Interview from 15. Okay, sir. 15 months, sir.
Because our aim is.
We have already scheduled the interview for the Mtet. Mtet qualified candidate will be held from 15th of November to fill up more than 1,200 vacancies in the government LP school and more than 400 in the UP school. For lower primary school, interview has been fixed from 15th of November 2023 and we will try to complete the process before Christmas.
In view of the